ZTE Nubia RedMagic 10 Pro Review. If there's a phone that truly seeks performance in the mobile gaming world, it's definitely the ZTE Nubia RedMagic 10 Pro. This device, designed for gaming enthusiasts, grabs attention with both its hardware and software. With its Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, fast refresh rate AMOLED display, and excellent cooling system, it's truly a gaming powerhouse. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at every aspect of the ZTE Nubia RedMagic 10 Pro, from its design to its performance, camera features, and battery life. Before we start the video, I'd like to give a small reminder. Thank you for watching. Making this video really takes a lot of time, so please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts on the product in the comments. Now, let's dive into a closer look at the RedMagic 10 Pro design and display. The ZTE Nubia RedMagic 10 Pro has an aggressive yet sleek design. With dimensions of 163.4 by 76.1 by 8.9 mm and a weight of 229 grams, it offers a very solid feel. The glass coatings on both the front and back add a premium touch to the overall design. The aerospace-grade aluminium frame not only increases durability but also gives an aesthetically impressive look. Particularly, the transparent back cover design showcasing the RGB lit turbofan creates a unique style aimed at gamers. On the display side, the 6.85-inch AMOLED screen, with a 144Hz refresh rate, offers an excellent visual experience for gaming and videos. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, you can easily see the screen even in direct sunlight. Thanks to the Corning Gorilla Glass protection, the device's screen is more resistant to scratches. Additionally, the 520Hz touch sensitivity support, especially in games, offers quick response times and gives you a big advantage against opponents. Looks like you forgot to subscribe, please subscribe now. Platform and performance. The RedMagic 10 Pro runs on Android 15, with an upcoming major Android update and 2 RedMagic OS updates. This ensures that the device will remain up to date and always have the latest features. On the performance side, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, 3nm, processor. This chipset provides exceptional speed and efficiency in both games and demanding applications. It's 2x4. 32 GHz and 6x3. 53 GHz high-speed cores, coupled with the Adreno 830 GPU, handle graphic operations quickly and smoothly. This combination ensures outstanding performance in every mobile game. Storage and RAM. The RedMagic 10 Pro offers a wide range of storage options. Starting with 256 GB of storage and 12 GB of RAM, there are also variants up to 1 TB of storage and 24 GB of RAM. This massive storage capacity easily accommodates large game files and apps. Moreover, with UFS 4.1 Pro technology, high-speed data transfer is enabled, allowing large files to load quickly and games to run smoothly without interruption. Haven't subscribed yet? Please subscribe to my channel. Camera. The RedMagic 10 Pro is quite competitive on the camera front as well. On the back, it features a 50MP main wide camera, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens, offering a versatile photography experience. You can capture excellent photos even in low light with the main camera's impressive performance. The device can record video in 8K resolution, and also offers professional-level video recording with 4K and 1080p options. These features promise an extraordinary experience both in photography and video. Sound. The RedMagic 10 Pro excels in audio as well. With stereo speakers and 32-bit/384 kHz high-res audio support, it delivers high-quality sound for both music and gaming. The Snapdragon sound technology ensures impressive clarity and depth in audio. Plus, with the 3.5mm headphone jack, you can also use your traditional headphones. The sound quality elevates your mobile multimedia experience to the next level. Looks like you forgot to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. Connectivity features and sensors. The RedMagic 10 Pro ensures fast internet connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4. With support for GPS, GLONASS, BDS, and Galileo, it offers precise location tracking. Data transfer is fast with USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2. Additionally, the device is equipped with an in-display fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, and compass, which enhance the device's performance both in daily use and during gaming. Battery and charging. The RedMagic 10 Pro features a 7050 mAh battery, providing long-lasting gaming sessions. The global version supports 100 watts fast charging, while the Chinese version comes with 80 watts fast charging. The device offers an impressive active usage time of 17 hours and 13 minutes, which is more than enough for extended gaming sessions. Have you subscribed to my channel? If not, subscribe now. Price and color options. The RedMagic 10 Pro comes in several color options: Moonlight, Dusk, Shadow, White Night, and Light Speed. The price is around $749, which is quite competitive for the powerful features it offers. 5G connectivity support. The ZTE Nubia RedMagic 10 Pro supports 5G, taking the mobile gaming experience to the next level. The high-speed internet connection offers excellent performance, especially for multiplayer and online games. With low latency and fast data transfer, there are no lags or freezes during gameplay, providing a significant advantage in competitive gaming. The 5G support also ensures faster and more stable experiences while streaming videos and watching high-quality multimedia content. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to do so. Conclusion. The RedMagic 10 Pro stands out in the mobile gaming world with its performance and design. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 144Hz refresh rate AMOLED display, and 520Hz touch sensitivity, it offers an exceptional gaming experience. The built-in cooling system ensures that the device stays cool even during long gaming sessions. With a 7050 mAh battery and 100 watts fast charging support, you can enjoy uninterrupted gaming for hours. In short, this phone is a great choice for those looking to take their mobile gaming experience to the next level. So, what do you think about the ZTE Nubia RedMagic 10 Pro? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Also, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.